Welcome to After School, where dreams get sharp. We break down real interview questions and explain them in the simplest way possible. Here is a classic SQL interview trick question that checks whether you really understand how SQL executes queries. We're given an orders table and asked, which customers placed at least 2 orders? Many candidates write this query. They use where count amount is greater than or equal to 2. But this is wrong. Here is why. SQL executes in this order: first from, then where, then group by, then having, and finally select. The where clause filters rows before grouping happens, but count is an aggregate function, and aggregates only work after grouping. That's why SQL does not allow count inside where. The correct place for aggregate filtering is the having clause. So the right query is, we group by customer ID, and then use having count asterisks, is greater or equal to 2. Now here is another trick inside this trick. The wrong query used count amount, but one row in the table has null in the amount column. Count column ignores null values, so it would count fewer rows than expected. Count asterisks is safer, because it counts all rows, regardless of null. So the final answer is, use group by customer ID, and having count asterisks, is greater than or equal to 2. This question tests 3 things: SQL execution order, difference between where and having, and the difference between count column and count asterisks. Big tech interviews love this one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to After School for more interview preparation and career-focused learning. See you in the next video. Until then, dream big, work hard, and believe in yourself.